Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Today, I wake up early in the morning. After that, get ready myself. For that reason, today I have a program, and right now I am on the way to the metro station, and I am going to a place nearby Mirpur Shah Ali police station. And yesterday, my brother called me. Time, are you free tomorrow? That time I said, yes, brother, I am. So after that, he invited me for joining today's event. And basically, my brother involving some voluntary organization. They are doing some voluntary work. And when they arrange any event, that time call me for the reason I have a little bit knowledge about photography and videography. So when they arrange any program, I try to capture all the moments. After finishing this event, then I will send all the video and photo in my brother. So I love this kind of work and always try to involve voluntary work. And my brother always support me and honor me, sometimes provide some money. Money doesn't matter. And I also involve voluntary organization or voluntary blood donation organization. So when doing this kind of work, I will try to my best involving. And basically my brother organization help underprivileged children and people, and also they provide school bag and arrange pure drinking water in school college. So this kind of what they are doing. And right now I am on the way to the metro station because metro station is nearby my house, and I always try to arrive this station on foot. For the reason, about 20 minutes need to arrive this station. So that's why I try to practice and I try to arrive station on foot because when I use rickshaw, that time I need 50 taka, and now I have a little time. That's why I'm going towards station on foot. So after that, after that I will meet my brother. Then together we go to the event, and I will try to capture some moment when I go through the event. So after that, I will share with you later. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you're interested to watching this kind of video, you can follow. I will try to practice myself, improving myself and learning English. Whatever I learned, whatever I am doing, I'm sharing with you. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you again.